How to find reviewing settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find reviewing settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and click settings and go down until you find this one, profile and tagging. Click on it, and as you see here you can find reviewing settings on this category reviewing. Just manage anything you want, and that's how to find reviewing settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.